Kudle beach is not accessible by road. You will have to trek for 10 minutes to reach the beach from the main road. Our driver didn't know the correct route, so we have to trek a muddy and narrow path which is not very comfortable for elder peoples and children. We don't recommend this path as after sunset there is no street lights, so it will be difficult to walk on this stony and muddy path. Actually, this is the backsides of many Sachs and Kudle oceanfront resorts.
Oh no!
When we finally reach the beach, we feel like we are in heaven. It's so clean and calm. I can't even explain through my words. It seems to me like a private beach, which has less crowd. It's the perfect beach for morning run, sea bath, and for surfing. It offers beautiful panoramic sunrise and sunset view. Though we missed the sunrise, but we will not miss the sunset definitely. You can enjoy water sports here. A visit tried jet skis. Though a little expensive it was, but worth it as the life jacket were of good quality and the instructor was really expert in his job. It gives an exhilarating and memorable experience to Avi. Kudle gives you all opportunity to relax, enjoy sports and spend time. Now we are going back to our stay Vedic village. I am feeling hungry. So after reaching I will jump on our breakfast table. Breakfast was authentic, simple, tasty and healthy. Steam neatly wrapped in jackfruit leaf is innovative, simply delicious. And especially the Gokarna chili. When you mix with your sambar, it will give you a nice aroma. This chili isn't spicy, but famous for its aromatic taste. One thing I have to mention that they gives us only one item in breakfast, whereas when we R&D about this place, we had the information they gives two dishes in breakfast. We even watched it on Harish Bali's channel, which is a bit disheartening for us. But we have to say that the service was amazing. At the breakfast time, owner Rajiv ji also explains beautifully about the places to visit and the history of this place, which is very helpful for plan rest of our journey. So here is our room tour. We booked one villa which has 2 floors. Each floor has one room with bathroom and balcony. Both are AC rooms. However, if you use AC on first floor, you have to pay 1k per day extra. The rooms are spacious and well equipped. All the rooms have amazing rustic interior design and has all modern amenities except TV, which don't even require there. The house is built beautifully, showcasing ancient equipments and brief history.
This is the kitchen area which they are given to us, and this is the bathroom. Geyser is there.
Bathrooms are neat and well maintained. They have maintained an amazing museum. Rajivji explaining everything about the museum, the history of paintings, arts and many more. We loved that we can walk out the pool straight from our bedroom. which turned out to be one of the highlights of our trip. We spent lots of our time around the poolsides. After taking shower, we went to Mahabaleshwar temple. Before going to the main temple, we visited Sri Mahaganapati temple. Lord Ganesha is worshipped here as a Bal Ganesha avatar. Mahabaleshwar temple is very sacred temples of Lord Shiva where the Atmalinga touches Mother Earth and fixes there itself. As the shape of the temple or Atmalinga is in cow's ear, the name Gokarna given to the temple. You will feel the presence of Lord Shiva when you touch the Atmalinga. As the camera isn't allowed inside the temple premises, that's why we can't take any video. There is a strict dress code for entering the main temple, that is dhoti or mundu for males and shari or salwar with dupatta for females. At lunch, we had traditional mouth-watering North Canara vegetarian meal, which is really tasty and nutritious. We had amaranthus, mulika raita, tondeka palia, cucumber chutney, stuffed eggplant, curd sambar, dal, red rice, and rice atta fruit.
इसको हम it is a kind of curd sambar जैसे.
No, okay, আমি বললাম না ওইটাই হচ্ছে রতুয়া।
This is dal.
Dal.
Yeah, this is rice.
Rice.
This is red rice.
Red rice.
We are now in Om Beach. Om Beach carries a spiritual significance concerning its geographical appearance. The shape of this beach resembles the symbol Om, that's why it is considered to be highly auspicious amongst the locals. You can witness the joining of two semi-crescent pieces of land here, and this is why and how the beach derived its present identity. It is bigger than Kudle Beach, nice and clean, with an unique natural view and rocky place where one could take rest and do photo shoot. As it was overcrowded, we don't feel safe at this time, so we moved back to the Kudle Beach for watching the sunset. Kudle is guarded by mountains two sides. This beach has its own charm. This beach isn't as exposed as Om Beach, so lesser crowd ensure the safety and spending lovely me time there. You should come after 5:30 p.m. for enjoying the sunset as it gives a magical view and memorable experience. I think you can spend days on this beach without any materialistic thing. The best thing is to spend an evening here when the sun is setting just in front of you, leaving you mesmerized.
এটা কি গঙ্গা জল দিচ্ছ?
Every time I stand before a beautiful beach, its waves seem to whisper to me. If you close the simple things and find joy in nature's simple treasures, life and living need not be so hard.